Hi, and welcome to the first video of 9 in the Writing Your Document series. In this series, you will learn how to use the different Melo features to write your documents. And remember, you don't have to watch this series in sequence, so you can skip to the feature that matters the most to you. Also, keep in mind that this series does not include complex features such as auto titles, cross-references, and notes. We've made separate videos for these, so go to our resources page and check them out. And in this video, you will learn all about using lists in your document, which includes how to manage lists, how to edit them, how to set their initial number, and of course, how to style them. First, let's talk about what lists are. Lists are document elements that allow creating a sequence series of paragraphs preceded by a number or a bullet. Lists can be ordered, which means it comprises sequences of incrementing characters and numbers such as 1, 2, and 3, or A, B, and C. Or unordered, which uses identical icons such as bullets, asterisks, and squares. Ordered lists are reset whenever a new item from a higher level in the hierarchy is entered. Each list in Melo comprises a hierarchy of 9 levels, and each level can have a different format and style. You can format each level independently of the others to meet your specific needs. This includes determining the symbol preceding the text, the distance between the text and the symbol, the character style, and a lot more. To take a look at this list, for example, and its different levels. Remember that the list feature creates simple lists in the document. And for more complex numbering and indentation patterns, check out our Auto Titles video series. So let's get started. To start a new list, place your cursor in the desired location and either choose Edit List, Increase one level from the menu bar, or click the Increase button in the list palette, or press Command plus the close bracket key. If you select a text first, it will be converted to a list. To add a new list item, place your cursor inside the list and press the return key. Each list comprises 9 levels, each with its unique formatting and style. Melo gives you multiple options to change the level of an item in the list. First, place your cursor inside the desired item and then either use the menu bar to choose Edit List and either increase or decrease one level, use the Increase and Decrease buttons in the list palette, or press Command plus the open bracket key to move to the previous level, or Command plus the close bracket key to the next level. You can also change multiple items together by selecting them before applying any of the methods we've just mentioned, and to reset a list, place your cursor inside the list and then either choose Edit List Reset from the menu bar, click the Reset button in the list palette, or press Command and the backslash key. You can copy any individual item from a list or the entire list altogether using Melo's basic cut, copy, and paste functions. When copying and pasting list items, they are copied with their original list attributes. If you just want to copy the text, use the Copy Special or Paste Special functions. For example, I will now take this list item, copy it, and paste it as plain text in a different location in the document without its list attributes. You can copy list style attributes without the list content by using the Copy Special and Paste Special functions as well. For example, I will now copy the style attributes of this list and apply it to a different paragraph in the document without changing its content. A very useful and popular feature is Melo's ability to create lists that don't start at the initial value of their numbering sequence. For example, you can create a numbered list that starts from 3 rather than 1. To do this, select an existing list and insert the desired value in this Start at text box in the list palette. This function comes in handy if you've had to reset a list for whatever reason, but wish to resume it from the same numbering sequence. For example, I have this list, which I had to reset after the first item to insert an image. If I want to continue the list after this image, all I have to do is place my cursor inside the next item and change the start at value to 2. So like any other document element in Melo, you can format lists by applying ad hoc attributes or by using styles. Remember that changes made using the Attributes tab will only affect the specific list being edited and only the level you select. To apply ad hoc attributes, click the Attributes tab in the list palette and use any of the following options. You can use the symbol type pop-up menu to choose the symbol that's used in the list, and use the symbol format pop-up menu to choose from different combinations of various punctuation marks. Use the symbol position text box to determine the distance of the symbol from the previous margin, and it can be either the page margin or the margin of the previous level. Use the indent text box to determine the distance of the first item text from the previous margin. The combination of the symbol position and indent values determines the distance between the text and the symbol. So for example, if we set the symbol position to 3 points and the indent to 15 points, then the distance between the symbol and the text will be 12 points. Use the margin text box to determine the distance of all items other than the first line. This also sets the margin for the next level. For example, if we set the margin to 0, then the next level will start at the same level as the current one. Finally, use the Character Attributes button to open the Character Attributes popover and apply different attributes to the list symbols. Remember that this will only change the list symbols, not its text. So, to apply attributes to the list text, just select it and use the character palette as you would for any other document element. If document consistency is of any importance to you, it is recommended to format lists, or any other document element for that matter, using styles rather than ad hoc attributes. To apply a style to a list, select the list, then choose the desired style from the Styles tab in the List palette, and click the Apply Style button. And for more information on using, creating, and managing these styles, refer to the Working with Styles series. So, this concludes this video. You should now be able to insert lists into your document, to manage them, to set their initial number, and to style them. We definitely recommend that you view and try the corresponding tutorial to practice what you've just learned, so go ahead, click the link below, and give it a try. So what's next? In the next video, you will learn all about using tables in your documents. We hope you've enjoyed this video and appreciate any feedback you might have, so go ahead and comment. Bye!